Hello. Hello, stranger. Hello, everyone. It's a beautiful day here in Florida, and my name is Mila Mulligan, and
I'm Nelson Quintero,
and together we form
One Milson Group,
OMG. So tell us a little bit about yourself.
Well, like I said, my name is Nelson Quintero. I was born in Queens, New York, and moved to Miami when I was 10. I'm a Floridian now. 60 degrees is cold to me. I was fortunate enough to get a basketball scholarship, and then after school I joined the United States Navy, where I was stationed on the USS Theodore Roosevelt. It's an aircraft carrier based out of Norfolk, Virginia. I got to do a lot of traveling. It was a very great opportunity and decision that I made to join the Navy. So in my career, I have worn many hats, beginning with owning a painting company, operations manager for Home Depot, senior maintenance director in the senior living industry, and then I moved on to be an executive director for an upscale assisted living community. All of these were great careers, but it wasn't until we met and I realized my true passion was in real estate.
Think twice. What's your true passion?
You're my first true passion, and real estate follows. So together we have formed OMG, One Milson Group. We're dedicated to helping people follow their dreams and build their assets, which leads to financial freedom.
Thank
Mila?
you. That is awesome. So we're sharing here our story, and I was born and raised in Russia in an officer's family. My family traveled a lot, and that's probably how I inherited a love for traveling.
Interesting.
I came to US in 2006 with no money, no language, no family, no friends, only 7 years old son. And I believed in American dreams long time before I stepped in American territory. And so I found my love for real estate in 2014 when I lived in Philadelphia, Pennsylvania, and I received my first real estate license there in Philadelphia, and beginning was pretty rocky, and so that's. However, thanks to my father, who taught me tenacity and grit, I succeeded, and I managed to build a very significant team and business in Philadelphia, and pursued my dream and moved to Florida in 2016. I received my real estate license here, and my life changed when I joined Keller Williams. It's the largest company in the world in real estate, and for the last 4 years I spent leading a really good office in downtown West Palm Beach. I was a team leader, and we have incredible 140 agents. So I learned how to become a better leader, how to manage office and build successful team. And then we met in January 2022.
OMG.
OMG, and became partners in crime.
Literally.
By October 2022, we made a decision to quit our jobs and follow our hearts, follow our dreams, and quit our 9-to-5 jobs, and just want to share our journey. It's going to be interesting, and with all our followers, we want to share our life. Well, real estate is our true passion, right?
It really is.
We are also educators at heart, and we have the drive to share and help others through our efforts. We understand how life-changing a smart investment can be, why we teach others how to use property to build financial freedom.
Exactly. There are numerous possibilities to build wealth through wise investments, which is why we take our role so seriously. We also lend our wisdom to fellow agents who wish to learn more about the industry or may be interested in joining our group, OMG, the Homes Group.
Well, and when we are not busy negotiating deals or showing homes, you can find us spending time with family and friends at our home in West Palm Beach, so that we bought about 7 months ago. And between us two, we have 3 fantastic sons.
That's
23, 23, and 13, and one incredible fur baby.
Rosie. She's a cockapoo named Rosie. And when we're away from home, you can also find us traveling the world, gaining new understandings of different cultures and creating connections that best serve our clients' needs.
Yeah, being a part of the largest real estate company in the world, Keller Williams, we here at One Milson Group have access to an array of tools and wide network that gives us leg up above the competition. We are dedicated to using all resources possible to make your real estate dreams a reality. So we have 4 passions: real estate, travel, Florida, and each other. We want to share our journey with you.
And golf. And golf.
And golf.
Had to put that one in there.
Oh, and snorkeling.
And snorkeling.
Oh, so many passions. So stick with us because it's going to be interesting journey, and our channel will be expanding. We would love to document everything and share with you. So I'm excited.
So give us a call, contact us. We're OMG, One Milson Group.
Oh, by the way, how Milson was formed?
So Milson is Mila and Nelson. So we spliced them together and came up with Milson.
One Milson Group.
One Milson Group. Short, OMG.
Yeah. All right. Hit the subscribe button. It's very easy. If you have any questions, if you're moving to Florida, you will hear a lot about Florida. We also will have another channel for travel, so we will let you know as soon as that's ready.
Absolutely.
Exciting. All right.
More to come soon. Check us
Many
out.
more to come.
Good job.